Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website to pay you instantly in your Faucet pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are freeway earning websites. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you DGB every 5 minutes. You can claim this my DGB every 5 minutes and 20 time claim per day. Okay, first paste your wallet address in here, just solve the captcha. You can choose your captcha, recaptcha or solve media captcha. Any captcha you want, just choose it and you can solve that captcha. Okay, that was so easy. The next is step, go to copy your DGB wallet address from here and come here. Okay, and you can see this is solve media captcha, and you can just paste your wallet address in here. Just reload it again. Just paste with your wallet address in here, just type the captcha. Okay, and just come down, just type this one too. Okay, just solve this little captcha too, and this finish. Just click get reward. Okay, this will be pay you instantly in your Faucet pay. You can see this will be sent my Faucet pay. I go to my Faucet pay, show you the withdraw proof of this website. You can see this is the payment I received from this website. Okay, and this is 100% free website. You can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning websites. Bye bye.